Hey guys, today I'm going to do a review of one of the smaller multi-tools that I have. It's a Leatherman style CS by the Leatherman company. Okay, first thing we'll start out with, it has a nice file. Filing down things, you can file your nails, wood or metal. Then it has a nice straight screwdriver at the end for doing eyeglass repair or small electronics. Then on the other side we have a nice little blade. Comes with a nice sharp blade straight out of the package. This blade is chisel ground, meaning it's just sharp on one side. There we go. Just sharpened on one side, not the other. It also comes with a nice set of tweezers there. It's a nice set of tweezers for everyday use. Just tucks away inside the handle. Also comes with a belt clip, which also serves as a bottle opener. Then a main tool in this is a handy pair of scissors. If you need scissors where you work, everyday environment, scissors always come in handy. You always have them in your pocket or clipped on your keys or on your backpack for your gear. So all in all, pretty nice light tool by Leatherman. You won't even know it's in your pocket. That's my review of the Leatherman style CS. Thank you.